Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, the moment that we've all been worrying about, and to be honest, it was inevitable, is finally here. And that is Jamaica has recorded its first case of the coronavirus. Now, people understand this. The person who brought it into the island was a female, a young adult female who came from England, or the United Kingdom. She arrived on March the 4th, and she was in isolation because she had showed the symptom them. Right now, people, she was in isolation, right? So hopefully after them deal with her and them sort her out, it didn't or it doesn't spread. So people, nobody start run up and down like headless chicken, right? Nobody start plan your funeral and start go down a Dovecock, go buy out piece of land and all kind of foolishness. In a reach nowhere near this yet. Okay, no bother with the headless chicken business. It's in Jamaica. The person who have it was already in isolation, right? So hopefully them can contain it, right, before it get to anybody else. This is when the medical staff will be tested. This is when the Ministry of Health will be tested. Hopefully they can pass the test. We've seen other countries much bigger with much bigger resources fail the test. So even if them can manage for prevent it from spreading, what I'm saying is, based on how many other countries have struggled to deal with this thing, I'm not going to roast the Ministry of Health if them end up start struggle too. Because some country where me see a struggle and a batter, the news just come down and say the whole of Italy, the entire Italy has now is now under quarantine. The Prime Minister of Italy said the entire country, every single person going in and going out. The Italians could not control it. The Americans, they must struggle. Chinese, they must struggle. Singapore, people, as I say, keep on the head, right, and keep on the eyes open, right. So hopefully this thing get contained. Next thing I want to talk about is just funny enough the fact that this come out the same day we hear say, an absolute buffoon, right, a Jamaican who was in isolation, basically escape the quarantine center and lead up on the road. Them have forgot they go look for him and catch him. People, enough of the people in our country in a sense. When have you ever heard somebody escape a quarantine center? Something can go so? How stupid, how irresponsible do you have to be in a quarantine center and escape? Right, so if him actually have it, so he was in the same isolation like this girl. So if him did actually have it, imagine if it dip on the street now, because this one buffoon decided to go run away from the quarantine center. Who the hell run away from a quarantine center? See, this is why I talk about the things I'm talk about, you know. Right, and people say you can't say SRP and even talk about good things, but you talk about which good things. We don't have so much idiot in the place. When have you ever heard somebody escape from a quarantine center? Right, you have something that can potentially harm the public, and we say, listen, go over here until you get it all clear, and you're going to escape and run, you're going to mix with the public. Listen, people, I'm going to touch on this case further on in the video that I drop tomorrow. So I just wanted to update you guys on the facts. As I say, it reached Jamaica. So Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment, and share the video. Bless.